Because people don't just say, oh, I read your book and I liked it. They say, like, it changed my life. Everybody wants to be a part of something bigger than us. It's not, not everybody gets a chance to have written the thing that turns out to be bigger than us. That's a pretty cool thing.
Tell us about the impact your books had on others, especially the Go-Giver. Because to qualify that question, on Clubhouse, I don't know if I told you this, but we get, just in the one room that I ran, we had almost 1 million people come in over, I think it was 84 days. We always get people that come up and be like, I like to answer this question. I said, what book changed your life? And Go-Giver, like, is probably at least 25% of those answers, along with Napoleon Hill and stuff. So again, to reiterate the question, tell us about your impact that your books have had on others, especially the Go-Giver.
That's the most amazing thing a writer could possibly hope for. It's a phenomenal thing. You said that somebody gave you the book and said there are 3 books you need to read. One's the Bible, one's the Go-Giver, and the third was, if I'm not wrong, Julia Child's French Cooking. I made that part up. Yeah, I mean, that's just really incredibly gratifying. Writing the book was a joy with Bob. Getting it published, our publishing team is awesome, but the interactions with the readers, with the readership, it's like a whole community over the planet. Has just been, it's been and continues to be just an incredibly gratifying thing. Because people don't just say, oh, I read your book and I liked it. They say, like, it changed my life.
Yeah.
Or they say, it changed my marriage. Or they say, it's one of the most, I read this book every year. I've been reading it, for the last 10 years, and I read it. I've reread it 5 times or 8 times or whatever. I've given away 50 copies. People say these kinds of things. There's a guy named Randy in Indiana who's taught every graduating senior class in his school the Go-Giver every year since 2009.
Wow.
He has to read it and do all kinds of projects based on it. And it's like, it's in classrooms, it's in graduate school classrooms, it's in chambers of commerce, it's in boardrooms, it's in, churches. I mean, it's like, it's a pretty wild thing. It's a pretty cool thing to be part of. So much bigger than us, so much bigger than us. Everybody wants to be a part of something bigger than us. It's not, not everybody gets a chance to have written the thing that turns out to be bigger than us. That's a pretty cool thing.